Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. McGarity from the Whale class, and today we're going to talk about patterns. So we do a lot of patterning in school, but sometimes it's tricky to know exactly what a pattern is. If you take a look around, there's patterns everywhere. I found this in our classroom. Think about what the pattern is on the American flag. You got it. It's red, white, red, white, red, white, over and over and over again. A pattern is something that it repeats itself over and over and never changes. There are patterns everywhere, so after this video, maybe you can go around your house and find patterns. I'm going to teach you how to make a pattern super easily. The first thing is you need to start out with 2 colors only. If you start with a whole big box of colors, it gets a little bit confusing. So if you decide to make a pattern after this with your cubes, pick your 2 favorite colors. So I'm going to pick out the blue and the yellow, okay? Blue and yellow. Now, if I pick out a dark blue and a light blue, is that going to work? No. I need to pick out all light blue, and I'm gonna pick out 4 of each color. So I'm gonna take 4 light blue, and then I need 4 yellow, so I need 3 more. 1, 2, 3. If you start out with just 2 colors and 4 of each, it's going to be much easier to practice your pattern. So then I have to decide which color do I want to start with. Well, blue is my favorite, so I'm going to start with blue, and I'm going to push the others aside. I start with the blue. Then I put my other color, yellow. Now, if I'm going to make an A-B pattern, that just means 2 things repeated over and over, then I'm going to do a blue, then a yellow. What would come next? You can repeat it. Blue, yellow, yellow, blue, yellow, yellow. Wait a minute, that doesn't look right. Let me repeat it and see if it sounds right, because the pattern has to sound right also. Ready? Blue, yellow, yellow, yellow. Always have to check our work. That doesn't work. We need to put a blue and then a yellow. Now, if this is easy, then just start pulling the other colors back out of your box and see how big of a pattern you can make. See how many you can make. Maybe you can get to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, blue, yellow pattern. Not too tricky. Some of you may say, that's a little easy. You can take your pattern apart and you can do the same thing with the same colors, but you can make it harder. You could do, it's called an AAB pattern, where you repeat the color 2 times and then switch colors. So I'm gonna do my blue first, of course. I'm gonna go blue, blue, yellow. Blue, blue. What would come next? Yellow. Blue. Uh-oh, I don't have any more blue, so I have to grab one. Can I grab the dark blue? No, light blue. Blue, yellow. And I can keep this going, and I'll say it out loud. Blue, blue, yellow. Blue, blue, yellow. Blue, blue, yellow. And I would put on another blue, and I would get it out of my bin. When you practice this at home, you can practice with your cubes. But also, if you want to do something different, you can find things around your house. Mrs. McGarity was doing a color pattern. It doesn't always have to be colors. You can do something with shapes. Now, I have these little shapes in the classroom, but you might have something at home, like puzzles that have shapes. They're all different colors, so the color pattern won't work. But I noticed I have 2 types of shapes. Start with just 2. Don't have a bunch of shapes out. That will be confusing. I have a square and a triangle. So I'm gonna go like this: square, triangle, square, triangle. What would come next? Square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle. And it didn't matter the color This time it worked with shapes. Square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle. I have a couple more things to show. You could do some cars. We could do that with colors. We could do colors, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red, or we could call it work truck, fire truck, work truck, fire truck, work truck, fire truck. The last one is my favorite, and I had to borrow something from my daughters for this. I know all of you probably have lots of stuffed animals, and you can make a pattern with your stuffies. So, oh, one more message. Okay, so, what could my pattern be? I see big stuffies and little stuffies. So you could pattern by size. Ready? Big stuffy, little stuffy, big stuffy, little stuffy, big stuffy. And what would come next? A little stuffy. So your challenge today is to make a pattern with your cubes and then either find patterns around your house or make patterns with your toys or something else fun. Have a great day.